This is a project where we develop a new digital modeling method for systems that are not fully controlled or controllable. So these are cities, right? And city regions and country. And basically, here is a ball of wool that you cannot apply Occam razor onto because all of these links are important. And they are interactive, so that's the main issue. And through that, we're going to talk about two examples. One example, because these are all documented, you can read in the report, is local here in Cambridge and Peterborough. So the two numbers we want to see is that if the current trend continue, the amount of traffic entering Cambridge could be as high as 82% more in 2030, right? Of course, this is not going to happen because this just means that the growth in Cambridge will be stymied. And how would you want to do? And we are currently working with local authorities and the industry group, academic group, and civic groups to look at the development of each of these sites. Actually, they're all at the edge of the cities, which is important. And this is one which is by the northwest, the Cambridge North Station site. It's called the Cambridge North East, and we develop different alternatives. How do you do systems that are not well controlled? You must give people options so that they can look at and choose and help you to develop. And so, and here we have one third element, apart from land use, built form, and transport, then this is green space. So these dark green dotted areas are the areas we're now looking at to develop them into proper parks, not just green belt with neglected green space or farmland. And in the second example, we're looking at the whole country of the UK, and Cambridgeshire is really very much a microcosm of the whole of UK with both rich and poor, and this kind of problems and the polarization of development is writ large for the UK. And here we look at different scenarios, and the middle scenario to say, if we allow the current system to continue, then the rent in the southeast, which is the one, including London, is the runaway one in the top. And then what you want to do is to do scenarios of investment planning and development to bend it. And for the next step of the modeling, as a direct result of this funding, which is very grateful for CDBB for this, we're now invited by DEFRA to look at further the air quality modeling, emissions modeling, linking to land use and transport, which is something that they haven't done before. And finally, this is an invitation for you to come down to the basement to look at a model that we developed within a game environment to visualize these options, and that's for Cambridge. And then you could go there and take a look at what you see of how we visualize different options for development. Thank you.